Howdy. I thought I'd share with you my latest ideas in why should you work hard in math? And I'm talking about the student that's in middle school or high school. And hopefully I'm talking to middle school students because a lot of my videos are in that middle school math realm. And why should you work hard? And sixth grade is huge. If you work hard in sixth grade, then let me show you this lineage here of math courses. So if you work hard in sixth grade, where I live in California, I teach the Math 7 Accelerated course. That's Math 7, that's seventh grade math and eighth grade math in 1 year. Students would then promote to Algebra 1 in eighth grade, and geometry, and then Algebra 2 trig, and then pre-calculus, and maybe calculus as an AP student. And I used to wonder, well, why would anybody work, even as a math teacher, I'd wonder, why would someone work so hard to get to this point? What's why? It is a bit of a difficult road here. Um, and I realize recently why. If you go down this lineage here, and or what you could do in my school district, and I'm sure other school districts do the same, you could do algebra 1 here. If you maybe if you did algebra 1 in ninth grade, then everything would go and then in the summer you would do geometry, and then you would be back into 10th grade, that algebra 2 trig and so on. And still, geometry is a very popular course in my school district. I've always wondered why. But you get into what I call AP land if you do. And the AP courses are advanced placement courses. You can get college credit while you're in high school. Uh, so, and if you take the AP calculus class, what it is if if you have an A, um, is a 4.0 GPA, a grade point average. Well, if you get an A in an AP class, that counts not as a 4.0, but as a 5.0. Okay, so that, I mean, if you're thinking about going to college, which, you go to college, you don't go to college, whichever, this would be a great, if you ever did want to go to college, it keeps your options open. You'll be more likely to be accepted in a college with a higher grade point average. And speaking of college, that's not even the best part, that 5.0 GPA. It If you take a college, if you take AP calculus in high school, then you can take the AP test. And if you score a 4 or a 5 on the AP calculus test, you get college credit. Now, I realize there's more than just the AP Calculus course. There's AP Physics, AP Biology, AP Literature, AP World History, AP Computer Science. There's all kinds of AP courses you can take, and AP tests you can take while in high school to get college credit. This happens to be the only route. I mean, this AP Calculus course it's a tough course. I will say that, but to get it done in high school and before you even walk on college campus, you get college credit. There are students that get their entire first year of college done with while they're in high school. Now, I do want to say that this AP calculus test, if you take the AP test, it does cost some money. I mean, what if it costs $100? It's worth it because in college, you would spend over $1,000 for a course in college. So, wow, that's very powerful. And so I think about, uh, you know, for two main reasons. One, this is your cheapest and easiest route. To take this in high school, it's cheaper than taking it in college, and it could be easier. Or, it's probably comparable, but I think that you might get more support while you're in high school. College, they tend to, you're an adult. They tend to just kind of have it, you got to figure it out for yourself. High school is more for teenagers. And then I think that taking, I mean, why work so hard in math and why do it? Even if you're not going to use it, not, maybe you're not going to be some kind of engineer or mechanical or chemical engineer or whatever, you still could use these ideas. You never know when these ideas will pop up. You never know when you have to talk to an engineer or someone who does speak the language of mathematics, and you can speak to them on equal footing. And then the other part is, why not? Number three, why not? The fact that math is hard makes it worthwhile, means that a lot of people aren't going to go through that, and they're not going to really work to learn it. That's your advantage if you choose to do learn it. So these are some ideas, and just take a look at how rarely do we see this lineage here going back to seventh grade, and students often don't even know what the order of courses are. But a wonderful resource is Khan Academy. Just go there, learn all the stuff, learn it before you take the class, and then take the class. You'll get a lot more out of that class. So there you go. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.